Hi everyone, we're here at the Polyvance factory and today we are going to do a repair on a Toyota Prius front bumper. Let's melt a few staples into the face of the bumper to keep it from separating while we weld it. The aluminum tape is going to keep the plastic held together along with the staples and prevent welding rod from pushing through as we weld this crack. We'll begin by heating the bumper and the welding rod at the same time, making sure that the rod and the bumper are both melted before we make contact. The edge is a little thin, so I'm going to let that cool a little bit before I continue on with my little reinforcement strip that we're going to put along here. Now what I will do is come back along the edge with a round welding rod to make sure that I have my edge built up. I see that I have a little tape adhesive. I don't want to contaminate my weld, cause anything to prevent it from fusing properly. So let's clean that tape adhesive. So the idea is to knock the top of the weld down. I do not want to dig into the bumper on either side of the weld. Now to mix up some 2000 Flex filler. And that is as far as we're taking this repair. See you next time.